जर्नलिस्ट प्ले करना कैसे था? बिकॉज KRA गोल्ड सब भूल चुके थे आपको देखते वक्त. लिटरली आई वॉज वंडरिंग, आई होप ऐसे करियर होता. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, आपकी शादी के आसपास ही यू वर वेयरिंग दैट ब्राइडल गाउन एंड ऑल, यू नो, आफ्टर दैट मे बी. सो हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हाट्स रणबीर कपूर's रिएक्शन टू दिस?
To the journalist thing, honestly, my first day of shoot was my introduction in the film. और जहाँ पे मेरा सीन होता है मिनिस्टर जी के साथ, और जो मैं अपने बहुत ही पैशन के साथ बात कर रही थी उनके साथ, and I genuinely felt very comfortable doing that scene just because of how much I connected. And there is one more scene जो फिल्म में नहीं है, जहाँ पे मैं एक्चुअली रिपोर्टिंग करी थी, उसमें भी मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया. I don't know whether I'll make a good journalist in life, but I definitely enjoyed that a lot. काफ़ी लोग मुझे कह रहे हैं कोई जर्नलिस्ट ऐसे साड़ीज नहीं पहनती है, बट हाँ, they're very simple sarees, but this is Karan Johar's version of that. To answer your question about Kudmai जो आपने अभी गाना देखा, yeah, actually it was in the same week. 4 days later जो मेरी शादी रियल लाइफ में हुई और फिर रियल लाइफ में हुई, बहुत ही अलग थी दोनों. माई होम वेडिंग वाज इन माई सिंपल वेरी लाइट साड़ी, बहुत ही ईजी था. मतलब मैं आई वॉज रोमिंग अराउंड वेरी फ्रीली हियर. देयर वाज दिस हैवी लहंगा, सर पे मेरा एक हैवी दुपट्टा. आई वॉज डेफिनेटली वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मेरा जो है शादी था बहुत ही सिंपल था, घर पे था, बिकॉज आई वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू डू दोज थिंग्स ट्वाइस. एंड वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग आई टेल यू इज, जब हम फेरे ले रहे थे, रॉकी और रानी फेरे ले रहे थे, तो ऐसे उन्होंने कुछ कहा कि नहीं फिर लड़का आगे जाता है, ऐसे नहीं लड़की फिर आगे जाती है. लाइक नहीं ऐसा मैं अभी करके आई हूँ यार, मेरे को पता है लड़की आगे जाती है. So that was one funny moment. And actually that moment, if you see in the song, जब रणवीर नीचे जाता है and he puts his head ahead like that and lets me put the वरमाला on top of him, वो actually मेरे साथ हुआ था. जो पहले रणबीर को उठा दिया था और मुझे कोई उठा नहीं रहा था, मैं देख रही थी कोई उठाओ यार मुझे. Then he only went on his knees and he went down and I put the varma. So that was, तो काफी close हो गया सब कुछ.
बिल्कुल.
He loved the film. He was very entered. He sat, Ranbir on my left and my mother on my right and my father right next to my mother, and the four of them were just responding and reacting, and just the way Ranveer said, to really see a film from your loved one's perspective. And Ranbir is very technical. He doesn't say too much. He says very little, and he just very simply said, it really worked for me. It touched the heart. He was laughing, and he said this film will be a big hit.
Recently Vaibhavi Merchant in an interview revealed that to prep for Tum Kya Mile, you visited Shah Rukh Khan for a day. I mean, you had a meeting with him. What exactly transpired, and how much did that help in making the song?
Actually, I was not going to reveal this. It was my little secret. But I was very nervous. I don't know whether it was going back to shoot after a couple of months. First time doing a full, proper lip sync song after, I think, Ishq Wala Love. Yeah, that kind of, that there was an inherent sort of nervousness in me, which I felt that I can do something more to do better. So I was discussing with Karan, and Karan said, why don't you call Shah Rukh up? Maybe he'll give you some tips. So I called him up to talk on the phone. I just want to understand from you, because nobody lip syncs like you. And he said, tu ghar aaja. Suhana also was wanting to learn this, तो दोनों को साथ में हम ट्यूशन करेंगे, क्लास करेंगे, तो तू गाना लेके आजा. And we went, and I was there for like about 2-3 hours, and Suhana और मैं पूरा एक गाना गा रहे थे. There's a whole lip sync portion which Shreya has sung beautifully, जो हम अभी release करने वाले हैं, the extended version of तुम क्या मिले.
हो गया release.
No, the video.
Oh, the video, हाँ.
The video हम release करने वाले, the extended version. तो वो बहुत fast जा रहा था, तो मैं बहुत hyper हो रही थी वो fast को लेकर. But the way he broke it down, he made me download some app, and he said ये बार करो. He also had learned the song by the end of it. It just shows how generous and such a large-hearted man, and so wonderful, and just always willing to help and be there for you. And whether it helped for this film or not, I know that experience will be irreplaceable in my life.
धर्मा को क्यों, इंडस्ट्री को सुपरस्टार बहुत पहले मिल गया था. पहले रणवीर सिंह यशराज का हीरो है और हमेशा रहेगा, और वो यशराज को पहले मिल गया था. ये धर्मा की खुशकिस्मती है कि रणवीर सिंह हमारे यहाँ भी आके उन्होंने बहुत बेहतरीन काम किया है. और हम यही चाहते हैं हमारी कंपनी में आलिया और मेरी कंपनी में एज इन ये कि हम कि बार बार लगातार रणबीर हमारे साथ अगर काम करें तो मैं बस कहूँगा कि जय नसीब।
एक्चुअली मैं करेक्ट करूंगी, हम बस चाहते कि रणवीर सिंह हमेशा हर हफ्ते काम करते रहे, क्योंकि हर हफ्ते उनकी पिक्चर लगी और हर हफ्ते मैं टिकट खरीद के जाऊंगी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टैलेंटेड बॉय। प्राउड ऑफ यू बेटा, प्राउड ऑफ यू।
अच्छा, मेरी बिल्ली मुझे मियाओ। आप भी जानते हैं, आप भी गाइए। And sir, that is true testament to the legacy of Dharma, and I'm only too proud to be a small part of it.
Do you know, for the first time in the history of Dharma, our logo is only 5 seconds because of length. So it goes, and that's it. If you notice, there is, yes, it's not because I was so paranoid about the length of the film that I was like, sub logos, काट दो. So they said, no, काट नहीं सकते. मेरा title भी निकाल दो. So in every other film you hear the whole chorus. In mine is, cut. It is literally that much. So I'm so sorry that we had to do this for our film. But I felt if I am the only person who can do it and not upset anybody, because everybody else would want the whole chorus. But I said, but if I cut it, nobody will feel bad.
Tota,
शुक्र है लोगों काटा सर, लोगों को नहीं काटा. Thank you very much.
Ranveer, how long did you take to learn Dola Re Dola?
Weeks actually. We had a break between schedules. So we had some time. Best way to utilize it is to rehearse. Rehearsal is the name of the game for any performer.
But he at one point, I'm sorry to interject, but he called me at one point and he says, he's like, Karan, I don't think I have a bone of Kathak in my body. Like, I really don't think I'm being able to do this. He was really initially struggling, and that's why he worked extra hard.
It is because of extra muscle mass.
Yes. Yeah.
Like I said, it's... so yeah, oftentimes due to scheduling, us performers, we don't really get the ideal amount of time that one would like to rehearse. There's no end to how much you can rehearse. But here I had the opportunity and I took it with both hands.